Hey everyone, so we're looking at question number 4 on the test review. This is another system of equations problem where you have to write the equations first and then solve it. So I highlighted two things in yellow and green there, and they are two totals. One of them is the total number of tickets, and the other is the total cost of those tickets. Okay, so that means two separate equations in standard form. One is all about how many tickets, and the other is all about the cost. Keeping in mind that all money should go in the same equation. So see, I highlighted all that in green. All three of those numbers should go in the same equation. So let's go ahead and look at the first equation. So 9 tickets. That means we're adding the number of adult tickets plus the number of child tickets. Now, we don't know how many there are of each. That's what we have to find out. There could be one adult with 8 children. That would be terrifying. There could be 4 and 5. There could be 3 adults and 6 children. We don't know exactly. Could be all adults. Maybe there are 9 adults and no children. So we're going to find that out very soon. Okay? Now, the second equation is us putting in the cost of each of them. So adults are $7.50. So $7.50 per adult plus $5.25 per child. And now our goal is to solve this system of equations. Okay. Now looking at it, we do have to use the elimination method. They are in standard form. And then you select which variable you want to eliminate. So if I want to eliminate A, then if this is 750A, the top one needs to be negative 750A. So we're going to multiply the entire top equation by negative 7.50. So we're going to get a new equation. Okay, I'm going to scoot this over a little bit. Negative 750 times A is negative 750A. But I got to do the same thing here. Negative 750 times C is negative 750C. And then I also have to multiply negative 750 times 9. So let's see what that is. And you can multiply any of these in your calculator, whether it's your handheld calculator or in Desmos. And we get 6750. Okay. So now let's look at the bottom equation is just going to be rewritten. Nothing is happening to it. So I'm going to rewrite it. And just like in any other elimination problem, we are going to add the two equations together. So negative 750 plus positive 750 is 0. So our A's have been eliminated. Remember, that's the goal of the elimination method, is to eliminate one of the variables. And now we are going to take negative 750C plus 525C and see what we get. See what we get? And we get negative 2.25C. And then we have to do the same thing on the other side. We have, and I think I forgot to make it negative. Sorry about that. That should be negative 6750. Let me rewrite that. Negative 6750 plus 54. And we get negative 13.5. Last step, we need to divide both sides by negative 2.25. And C is now isolated. Let's divide it. We get 6. So what does that mean? 6 what? That means there were 6 child tickets. So we're going to put on here, Mario bought 6 child tickets. And remember, we know the total number of tickets. I told us earlier, it's highlighted in yellow, 9 movie tickets. So if we take 9 total tickets and minus 6 child tickets, we have 3 remaining tickets for the adults. So 3 adult tickets were